Hey, so today I have kind of a fun use case that's sort of niche, but is very applicable if you're in Salesforce all day. So, for example, I'm a Salesforce admin as my day job, and one of the things that the countless requests that I get is end users of Salesforce want to be able to bulk update or insert records into the system with the appropriate approval, either from their manager or from someone on the business applications team. And they don't want to just send an upload to someone. They want to be able to self-serve. Um, aka do it themselves. And so today I have this fun use case where you can see this user story here. This is what we're going to be accomplishing is we're going to be making a salesforce.com bulk upload tool that an end user can basically send an email with an Excel attachment to update records in Salesforce. And so I'm going to show you I'll walk through how it works, but I'm going to show you real quick what the end product is. So the end product is that as an end user, I'm going to be coming in here to my email and I'm going to be sending a data set to an email connector. So I'll click send. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have a body. That's okay. But then if we wait, there's going to be a little bit of latency here. But if you wait like a minute or two, we're going to come over here to our Salesforce instance. And what it's going to do is it's actually going to attach, or it's going to bring in tasks that we sent via email. And so actually I can show off. This is the Excel attachment right here. This is the Excel attachment that I sent. So it's just emails. It's just call data going from here into Salesforce. And so the first thing that's going to happen is I'm going to get an email that is going to ask me as a member of the Salesforce team to approve this request. And so for simplicity, let's just say I approve it. So I'm going to approve the request and it's going to redirect me, say done. And so now we'll just wait a minute or so. But the end goal here is it's going to create tasks in our Salesforce instance. Okay, so now the automation is run. And in this case, it took all of the 8 tasks that we had in our Excel sheet and it actually pasted them into Salesforce. So it put the due date and the priority. We can see that these are different. So that is the end goal of what we're accomplishing here. So how we did this is we actually leveraged Domo, and I'm going to come over to my flowchart. We leveraged quite a few different products from Domo, mainly the email connector, workflows, approval center, and then also write back connectors, which is also called Domo Integration Cloud. But the basic flow is it starts off with the end user. The end user is given an Excel template that they're going to email to Domo. And so before this, as a Domo admin, you're going to use the Domo dataset, the email connector that generates a unique email to give to the end user to send to. Once the email has been sent to the email connector now has the new data set and it's going to kick off a workflow that is going to trigger an approval center. So in this case, with the approval center, I just had it going as an email. And this is actually my first time creating a workflow. But basically, the workflow starts when the connector runs. It emails the teams. In this case, it emails me and it gives me a Boolean button saying, do I want to approve the request? If I do approve the request, it starts a data flow, which kicks off the integration studio. And so if I come back here, right, we approve, we have a decision here. Do I approve the bulk upload? If I do, it kicks off the data flow that is connected to the salesforce.com write back connector and then inserts those records into Salesforce. And so this is cool because it accomplishes the end goal here, right? We want to be able to let end users upload or update stuff into Salesforce, but they have to do it in an approved manner. And so in this case, having this email here to put a human in the loop is super handy, right? This email can include lots of things. It could actually include a link to the data set, which is probably what I would recommend. But the the admin, myself, I can approve this if I want to. I can also email them back saying, hey, you need to make some changes to your upload, that sort of stuff. So anyway, hope you found this helpful. Thanks.